Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can get Gate token using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section, on the top of the screen, you can see the send, receive, buy, and swap icons. Now, if you want to get Gate token, you can either buy it or receive it in the Trust Wallet. Now, tap on the one that you're interested in, start typing in Gate, and you will find the Gate chain token. Now, when you tap on it, Trust Wallet is going to generate for you your own QR code, and with this QR code, you can receive Gate coins very easily in your Trust Wallet. You can also use it to scan it for yourself if you have Gate coins in a different wallet and you want to transfer it to your Trust Wallet. You can easily do that as well. Now with the copy icon, if you tap on it, the app is going to copy your Trust Wallet address automatically, and with this address you can also receive coins. Now the second button on the bottom is a very interesting feature where you can type in an exact amount of Gate tokens, and Trust Wallet is going to generate a new QR code, and with this new QR code you can receive this exact amount of Gate tokens, which is a great way for payments or transactions. And obviously with the share icon you can share your QR code or address on social media or any other platforms. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye.